I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way.
Hello, my sweet friend, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and today we have 5 loads of laundry to do. So if you are a weekend warrior like me, let's do this together. The products I am going to be using for this laundry loads today are the Thrive Market Rosey Laundry Detergent. It is very soft. It has a lavender scent. And I am going to be adding the Ensueno Fabric Sofner that I pick up from Sam's Club. And I usually get that big bottle for about $11 every 3 to 4 months. I am folding the tablecloth that I use for Easter, which is not tablecloth, it's actually a drop cloth for painting, but I use that instead on my table during Easter, and it just looks absolutely phenomenal. So you must try it because each cloth costs $4 in Harbor Fries. So if you're looking for cheap tablecloth idea that are very earthy or neutral tones, this is the opportunity for you to go and grab one. You won't be disappointed. I am also folding the towels that we use in the guest bathroom. I use individual towels that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, I want to say about 5 months ago, and this is a way for me to use less paper in the bathroom. Again, trying to be a little bit more environmentally aware because I am not perfect, but I do try to implement little things here in my home to make my small contribution to Mother Earth. Next, I am going to be sorting out my youngest son's clothing. I usually don't sort out their clothes, but on this day, it was Sunday, and we were on spring break, and it wasn't really a break for us. We had a lot of things to accomplish in the home. My oldest son, he was not home that week, so that is why at the end you also gonna be see me sorting out his clothes. I don't do the job for them in terms of sorting out, but I do wash the clothes for them so far. Now, I'm only going to be doing that for my oldest son until he finishes his senior year in high school, which is approximately this month. Or if I'm trying to motivate you to do more laundry, that is the only reason why I will do it going forward, because at this point, I feel that it's time for him to start doing things a little bit more by himself. The hamper that you see leaning against the washer, which I'm dividing the clothes into, the left one is for towels and sheet, the middle one is for colors, and the one to the right is for whites. I actually picked that up yesterday in a yard sale that we had with my neighbor. We had our own yard sale, but she also comes out and has her own yard sale, and I purchased that for her. I thought it was perfect. This laundry room, it's almost brand new. I am going to link the video of the whole makeover. Our laundry room used to be down in the basement, and to the right, if you see that door, that is our main bathroom that it's in progress. It's actually the only thing there right now. We actually put the toilet, although we have no walls, we have nothing but the toilet, because sometimes at night we really don't want to go downstairs to the bathroom. I am not sure if I'm going to be leaving this sorting hamper here. I'm trying to see if it's working or not. I'm trying to figure out, do I want a hamper in each bedroom for my family, or do I just want them eventually when the bathroom is down to come out of this bathroom and dump their clothes there, and once those hampers are full, then do laundry. Then what do you think? Should I leave that 3-piece hamper there until the bathroom is done and figure that out, or should I just get rid of that and have each child have their own hamper? How do you do your sorting and gathering of the dirty clothes throughout the week until you do laundry?
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing
my towels like here you see me do it, but because right now everything on the second floor is in transition, I realized this is not gonna work, Mariana. You don't have the space right now to be doing this. So I went back and fold them just plain simple, like you see me doing here.
Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip. No, I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed?
In terms of the Rosey Lavender Laundry Detergent, I must say that because my children have more dirt in their clothing, and I'm guessing if you have children, your children probably go outside and get messy. I did not find that it is heavy duty enough for the soil that my kids gather in their clothing, if that makes sense. However, I do think that it is the perfect laundry detergent for your towels. Also, I think it's great for if you have babies and toddlers that have allergies, you need to order this product. They have one that has no scent. It's very, very mild on the skin. So in that event, it costs $10. I will leave my link down below in case you want to order it from Thrive Market. Again, if you have clothing that it's very heavy in soil, this may not work for you. That is just my opinion based on my experience. I know there's a lot of people that are very environmentally aware and activists, and they do wash everything with that and they have no issues. Because I am taking just little baby steps, I'm too new to this. I feel that right now it's just not working for me. I really love the Windfresh laundry powder detergent from Sam's Club. I love it, especially because I also use it to do clean around the house, like the walls, the floors, and other items that I clean around the house with that laundry powder detergent. In terms of sets of items that go together like pajamas, I like to put the pants usually inside of the upper piece and then I fold it, and here it is. So when your child goes to retrieve that item, it's already together, it's already matching. I don't know. I like things to match if they came together because I don't know how to coordinate. So that's what I use to give me a little bit peace of mind versus going into a drawer and then they mismatching items. You don't have to do that. It's just an idea. I really like it having it that way. I even fold my own pajamas that way. So tell me, do you actually fold the clothes for your little ones, or you just dump it in a drawer and let them pick whatever they want?
Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time.
The first load was the towels. The second load was the color clothing, which I mixed with Matthews and mine because I honestly didn't have a lot of color clothing. The third load was the whites, which included Matthews and myself. And for some reason, I don't have the footage of when I was washing it. So what you're going to be seeing is when I am drying it and then folding it. Here I am folding my oldest son's clothing. Most of his clothes, it goes on a hanger and he hangs it in his closet. What I wanted to mention is here's a reason why I don't trust my kids doing laundry. Isaiah had batteries on his pants, in his pants, and as I'm folding the clothes, I hear a noise in the dryer. And I stopped the dryer to realize that they were two batteries, two AA batteries, just rolling around in the dryer. And again, that could have just caused a fire. And this is why I'm so hectic not to give my kids that freedom, because I feel they're gonna blow up things in the house, and I totally understand that I gotta let go and I have to allow them to make mistakes, and hopefully they don't burn the house down. This t-shirt here has so many stains, I ended up just tossing it in the garbage. Friend, if this is your first time here, I want to take this opportunity to reintroduce myself. My name is Mariana. I am a full-time working foster adoptive mom. I also have 4 dogs, which by the way, they're not mine. They're my kids, but you know how that goes. I ended up taking care of the dogs. If you're looking into motivation to cook, to DIY on a very frugal budget, to clean the house together, do laundry together. Basically, if you're looking for a friend that you want to do homemaking and housekeeping and frugal DIYs together, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel and coming back for my next video. I also hope you introduce yourself and you leave me a comment down below so I get to know you better. This is my last load, and I want to take this chance to thank you and give you a virtual hug, also a high five. I appreciate you being here, and I thank you for helping me stay relevant on YouTube. I hope I was able to be that friend that motivate you today to do some laundry or folding or tackle a chore in your home. Until next time, thank you, my friend, for being here. Stay until the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.